This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting thread that matches fabric and needle. That choice prevents skipped stitches and breakage. Place the spool on the correct pin orientation for your machine and secure it with the cap or holder so the thread feeds smoothly. Once done, pull 6-8 inches of thread off the spool and keep it taut. This short length makes the initial threading predictable. Make sure the bobbin is wound and inserted correctly before you move to the machine's threading path. You now follow the machine's threading path exactly because order matters for tension and stitch formation. Guide the thread down into the tension discs, up through the K-cup lever, then through each designated guide. These control tension and prevent snags. Next, thread the needle from front to back unless your manual indicates otherwise. A needle threader speeds this up. Once threaded, hold the top thread lightly and turn the handwheel toward you to lower and raise the needle so it catches and pulls up the bobbin thread. You finish by pulling both top and bobbin threads about 3-4 inches under the presser foot toward the back. This prevents tangling when you start. Lower the presser foot, set a short stitch length, and test on scrap fabric so you can fine-tune tension or needle choice. If stitches skip or thread breaks, rethread top and bobbin first, then clean lint from feed dogs and tension discs. Also confirm the spool cap and thread path are correct. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.